Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to find day of date and years given in Excel. Make sure finding the day from a date in Excel is straightforward depending on whether you want the name or a number. So if you want to get the day name, then use this formula, put the equal sign, use the text function, open the bracket, select the cells reference, where is the year and date given, and comma, space, double quote, and type for time D. D is the abbreviation of day, and double quote, close the bracket, hit enter, and use the fill handle to find the other days. So if you want to use no formula and want to keep the data value but just show the day, so for example, I select this data and paste over here, and then right click, go to the format cells and go to the customs, remove this general and type for time D, which is the abbreviation of day, and click OK. And this is the simple and easiest way to find the day. Moreover, if you need a number for the calculation like 1 for the Sunday through 7 for the Saturday, then you need to use the weekday function formula. So put the equal sign, type weekday function, open the bracket, select the cells reference, close the bracket, hit enter. And this is the second day of the week, and drag the other values. So this way you can easily find day of date and years given in Excel. If you think this video is helpful,